Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to Speedy Science. Each week in this program, we do a fast and fun science activity that you can fit into your busy schedule. This week, we are going to make DIY gift wrap. For this activity, you will need a sheet of computer paper that's blank on one side, a pan that's large enough that it can hold your whole sheet of paper, a spruik, some shaving cream, and some watercolor paints. I chose the colors orange and green, but you can use whatever colors you want. The first thing to do is to take your shaving cream and fill your pan with shaving cream across it. It doesn't need to be a high level of shaving cream, but make sure that the whole pan is filled. Just like that. Then, take your spruik and smooth down the shaving cream so it forms a solid layer. Think of it like frosting a cake. You want to make sure that the entire surface of the pan is covered. Then, use a paper towel to clean off your spruik. Once that's done, go ahead and open up one of your containers of watercolor paints. Using the different spokes on your spruik, go ahead and drip your watercolor paint onto the shaving cream. You can do as much or as little of any color as you want. Just make sure that you get it all over the shaving cream. See? So now I have some orange watercolor paint down. Now repeat the process with your other colors. I'm going to use my green watercolor paint next. And now I have orange and green dots on my shaving cream. Then go ahead and again, take the tines of your spruik and use them to gently mix and swirl the colors together. You want to create a marbled effect, but make sure you don't mash the colors up too much, otherwise you will get brown. Just do nice, gentle streaks. See how I have that pretty swirl design? Once you're happy with the design, go ahead and take your piece of paper and put the blank side down on top of the shaving cream and press it down, nice and gently. You don't need to press it super hard, but you do want to wait and see until you can start to see the color of the watercolor paints coming through the back of the paper. Once you see the colors, go ahead and you're going to gently and slowly pull up on your paper. And now, as you can see, your colors have been transferred onto your sheet of paper. Now you want to go ahead and lay your paper nice and flat. Then, take a paper towel and very gently wipe off the extra shaving cream. Make sure you wipe it nice and gently so that you don't spread the colors through your paper too much. And there you have it. Now you have your own DIY piece of wrapping paper. Go ahead and put this in a sunny windowsill to let it dry, and once again, you can use it to wrap any gift that you want. You can also keep going and make multiple sheets of wrapping paper if you need. Now that we saw what happened, let's talk about why. Today's experiment used a type of chemical reaction called absorption. Absorption is when one item takes on the characteristics of another. For example, our shaving cream absorbed the color of the watercolor paint, which is why the shaving cream came out white, but then ended up becoming orange and green. In the same way, our paper then absorbed the watercolor from the shaving cream. So it went ahead and took on the same characteristics of orange and green mixed together like it was in the shaving cream. Thank you so much for joining us for this week of Speedy Science. Be sure to take a picture of your wrapping paper and email it to us at the Allsup Library's Youth Services email address. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye! Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to this week's bonus activity. In today's video, we used shaving cream, watercolor paints, and a piece of paper to make our own gift wrap. One way you can turn this activity into an experiment is by using different ways to get the color down instead of using just watercolor paints. One other thing you can try is to use food coloring. Take drops of food coloring on the plain shaving cream and then mix it together, just like you did with the paints. Does this work better or worse than the watercolor paints? Do you have a favorite? Be sure to email us and let us know. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!